Today we are going to see the part 2 of networking basis in advanced Java programming. For networking purpose, Java has provided a different classes in java.net package. Java.net package is specially designed for a networking in Java. The classes which are present in java.net are InetAddress, URL, URL connection, URL class loader, socket, server socket, socket address, socket permission, datagram packet, and datagram socket. Out of which, in today's session, we are going to see InetAddress class. Before going to InetAddress class, we are going to see the exceptions which are present in java.net package. Socket exception, protocol exception, connect exception, unknown host exception. These are the exceptions which are thrown at the time of networking program. Now we are going to start InetAddresses. So InetAddress is a class which represents IP addresses. This class provides a method to get the IP address of any host name. Host may be server or it may be client. As we know that IP addresses are represented in two formats, 32-bit and 128-bit. There are two types of address type, unicast and multicast. Unicast is an identifier for a single interface, whereas it is multicast is an identifier for set of interfaces. That means it will retrieve the multiple number of IP addresses. The InetAddress class is used to encapsulate both the numerical IP address and the domain name of that address. As the specialty in InetAddress that we cannot able to create the object directly. For that we need to use a factory method of InetAddress class. So there are total 3 factory methods which are available in InetAddress class. As we know that factory methods are called with the help of class name. They don't call with the help of object name. So there are total 3 factory methods. First, get local host. It will returns the instance of InetAddress containing local host name and address. Next method is get by name. It returns the instance of InetAddress containing localhost IP and name. And third one is get all by name. It will retrieve the array of instance of InetAddress class which contain the IP addresses. So these are the 3 factory methods which are available in InetAddress class: get localhost, get by name, get all by name. By using these 3 methods, we can able to create the instance of InetAddress class. We cannot able to create instance of InetAddress class in regular way. For that, we need to use these 3 factory methods. In InetAddress class, there are again 2 methods are available. Get host name. It will retrieve the host name of the given IP address. Get host address. It will retrieve the IP address of the given name. So these are the 2 normal methods. Now we will see the one demonstration or one example of InetAddress class. So in this example, the class has been taken InetDemo. If you see, while creating an object of InetAddress class, InetAddress IP equal to InetAddress.getByName www.javatpoint.com. So in this line, for for creation of instance of InetAddress class, getByName method is used. So with the help of this instance, we can able to retrieve the host name and host address of JavaTPoint site. So by using this example, we can able to retrieve the host name and address. So output of this code would be the address and the host name. So host name is javatpoint.com and address may be in the form of IP address, maybe 210.212.94.26, may like this. So it will give the IP addresses. So this is about the InetAddress class. So thank you everyone. Thank you so much.